Yeah, I've been in the digital marketing space for 4 or 5 years. And I guess my question, I've got a couple of questions for you.
Sure.
One is kind of when I'm making a cold call, I do the thing you recommend, and hi, I'm hoping you can help me out for a moment. And then they'll say, sure, how can I help? But just about, some hesitate, but they always do end up saying, how can I help? And then I would say, well, I just called today to see if your company would be open to some different ideas on how to utilize your online presence just to generate more leads to your business. And they almost normally say yes. And then I kind of say, great, take no more than kind of 20, 30 minutes to kind of walk you through it. Would mornings or afternoons work better for you? Like maybe.
All right, hold on a minute. Hold on, Bob. So that's going too quick to a demo mode. What you're missing there is you need to really anchor in on the problem first. So when you said to him, would you be open to some ideas around ways to leverage your digital marketing and get more leads? He says, sure. Then you can say this. Do you have an idea approximately how many leads you get a month currently with your current marketing?
Okay.
Make them think first to really understand where you're going with this. He might say we get 4 or 5, not very many. Whatever he might say, you can say, wow, okay, so that sounds like there's room for improvement. Would you agree with that one? Yeah, we're looking for some more leads. Okay. Right. Well, look, if you'd be open to it, that's the key bridging phrase. If you'd be open to it, I'd be willing to walk you through a unique, different model that potentially could give you more of those leads cost effectively in a different way than you are right now. Would you be open to that?
Gotcha. Yeah. Sounds much better.
Then you schedule the Zoom call with them and do the one call sale process from there.
Okay. That was my second question, was once you have that 20 to 30 minutes booked, is the one call sales appropriate at that point?
Well, that is, so the model is anchor in the problem and schedule and I call it a consultation. It is not a demo, it's a consultation. You're the doctor, they're the patient. Your job on that consultation is to do an x-ray on their problem, metaphorically, right? So that's where you do the one call sale process that we've been talking about, where you go down the iceberg, you filter out their issue, you amplify, you let them know the impact of not solving it, and if there's a priority to solve, and then you basically roadmap them on board to your program. So that all happens on that one call.
Gotcha. So of course, I've asked for 20 or 30 minutes of their time. With one call sale process, it could take longer.
Well, I wouldn't suggest how long the call will be.
Okay,
just gotcha. Say, how does 4 o'clock on Friday sound to you?
Gotcha. Okay.
If they ask you how long, say I would suggest 30 minutes.
Okay.
But if you try and frame it up front too fast, too quick, well, it's 20 minutes, and they're like, okay, he's going to demo me for. It feels too onerous. Just keep it relaxed.
Gotcha.
How does 4 o'clock on Friday afternoon sound to you? Great. I'll send you a Zoom link. And if you wouldn't mind, bring along your statistics or whatever you have in terms of lead conversion and what you're working on, and I'll take a look at it and analyze where I think we can help.
Gotcha. Perfect.
Sounds good, Bob. Good to see you.
Okay. Thanks, Art.